The burning smell and hazy skies the last couple of days here in Buffalo is a result of wildfire smoke from Canada. Because of that, the air quality in Buffalo is now at very unhealthy levels, actually worse than it was yesterday. Health officials are urging people to stay inside, keep your windows closed, limit your time outdoors as much as possible, especially if you have asthma or something else that may make you more sensitive to these conditions. Also, if you're driving in the car with your AC on, you want to make sure that you're turning on this button to circulate air inside your car instead of pulling in air from outside. So do what you can to stay safe, stay healthy, and hopefully this passes soon.